Careful ha. Oh, you put na the egg. Ayan. Mix like careful. And then, pour na. Wow, very good. Yan. Sige. Yan. And, this is Aya food. What is this?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Ano pa?
Fish.
Fish. And ano pa?
Egg.
Egg. Looks so yummy, di ba? You taste it? Yummy?
I'm a
Okay. Yan. Wait lang. Just wait. Oh. Wow! Oh. Done!